So I'm going to rustle up a really quick lunch with the goodies I bought from the supermarket just now. It's really simple, and this is how I eat every day. And I really have to talk about these sausages. There's no affiliations. I'm not working with them in any shape or form. I just found them at my local supermarket. I don't know, it's UK based or maybe available elsewhere as well. But most veggie sausages I don't like because it just tastes very starchy, and some of them are very starchy. Just don't taste good. And these ones there's some carbs there, but not too bad at all. The whole package with 6 sausages is about nearly 300 grams, 270 grams here. And with 100 grams, which I will say about 2 sausages, it's about 6 carbs. And so that's pretty moderate in my book. And I know this is processed food, and I try to have whole foods, unprocessed foods as much as I can, but these are so good. And, I like them occasionally. So I'm going to fry some of these sausages for lunch today. Oh, I just love them. I'm going to just quickly slice my ginger here. So this will be my base flavor today. Oh, the ginger is so good. It smells so good. Oh, it wakes me up. And I'm going to chop up my mushrooms in quarters. And some of them still have this compost on it. I'm going to just give it a quick wipe. Okie dokie. Lovely. Cool. Ready to fry my veggies. And my trusty frying pan here. Heat on. A little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to fry my sausages first. And so normally I have 2 to 3. Oh, let's have 3 then. Let's go a bit crazy. And I'm just using medium heat and just allow the sausages to fry evenly. It's so nice and plump. Definitely look these up if you're in the UK. And because most veggie sausages I've tasted, they just taste terrible. They taste like it tastes very starchy. And so I tend to not want to buy them. So normally I'm not a fan, but since I discovered these, I kind of changed my mind. There are companies out there, they know how to make veggie sausages. I'm going to use my chopsticks. A lot easier. Be nice and brown. Just fry till they're nice and golden brown. No complaint there. Cool, they're cooked through nicely. So I'm going to just fish them up and put them on my plate first. And now my mushrooms. I'm going to just pop everything in. This is so quick. So I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit. Add a little bit more oil. Day-to-day cooking, what I want is that comfort factor, but also super quick as well. It's so important. There are days you want to spend time in the kitchen and just cook, just kind of just enjoy the process. But there are days you just want to get it done. You want a decent, hearty satisfying meal, but you don't want to spend too long in the kitchen because you've got other things you need to get on with. I totally get it. So it's a balance in between. And I'm going to sprinkle some molten salt. One of my favorite salts. You just fry them until they're really succulent, golden brown, and has that really firm texture I love. Cool. And I'm going to just tip it over a bowl first. So my mushrooms here. I like to fry them separately. And now I'm ready to fry the bean sprouts. I just give my frying pan a quick rinse. So you can throw everything in together. Sometimes I do, but I quite like frying everything separately and put them together. I have better control over the cooking time. This is just how I do it. And I'm going to pop in my ginger. Oh, lovely ginger. Just allow the ginger to infuse with the oil a little bit. If you want a base flavor for your dishes, ginger or garlic, or sometimes both. It's just perfect. Just listen to that sound. I'm going to pop in my bean sprouts. I mean, I'm going to use 2 packs because the bean sprouts wilted down very quickly. And I love bean sprouts. I want a lot of it. So I'm going to just pop 2 bags. It looks like a lot. It's going to wilter down very quickly. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of soy sauce. And I want to fry the browse as quickly as I can because I want to retain that crunch of the browse. That's where the joy is. You don't want soggy bean sprouts. No, no. Give it a quick taste. Just make sure I've got enough seasoning. Still got the crunch. Just 1 more minute and it will be done. Cool. I think that's perfect. Heat off. Now, my big bowl here. And I'm going to just pop in my bean sprouts. Oh, lovely. Still piping hot. And then sprinkle in my fried mushrooms. When they're fried separately, they have their own individual flavors. If you tend to fry everything together, you can give it a go. You might notice a difference. And I've got 2 types of kimchi here. So I've got a beetroot, which I just bought today. And I also have the more traditional kimchi with cabbage. And I'm going to just add some of the kimchi on top. I feel really blessed now that there's so many things, so many ingredients that they're not conventional European. They're available quite commonly in the UK supermarket. It just adds so much variety to things. And then some of these, it looks really hot. It's not. It's just lovely and it's got that lovely crunch and fermented flavor of the kimchi. Fermented food is just super good for you. And now, the last but not the least, pièce résistance. My lovely sausage. Just sprinkle these sausages on top. And I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of this chili sauce. It goes so well with the sausages. So I'm gonna just little squeeze here. Oh my God. You tell me this is not a good meal that can be done in 10 minutes. And now, time to eat. I'm just gonna fish out some of the sprouts here. It's still nice and crunchy, I'm sure. It's so lovely. It's got some of the chili sauce there as well. So delicious. It's got that nice crunch, but it's fully cooked through. I'm so happy. You know, the kimchi, with each bite, you've got the kimchi, the crunch of the bean sprouts, and the meaty mushrooms. I can eat this every day. And then the star of the show, sausages. I'm going to combine it with some kimchi. Oh, heaven. Absolute heaven. I am so happy right now. Got different textures. Got a crunch. A ginger really comes through as well. Fantastic. Now, I'm going to go and finish this lunch. And I'm going to make a cup of tea. This green tea is so good as well. I go on and on about tea picks. And I love their peppermint tea. But I recently discovered these called Mao Fen green tea. Oh, it's so amazing. It's got caffeine. So if you want a caffeine-free tea, then go for the peppermint. But this green tea is just so good. So I'm going to make my cup of tea and finish my lunch. So thank you for coming with me today. And this is quite a typical day, I have to say. I go out, teach little classes, come back, and rustle up a quick lunch using all my favorite ingredients on the day. So I hope it helps you to give you some ideas for your quick meals as well. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And don't forget to get my cookbook. So it's currently on Amazon Kindle. You don't need a Kindle device. You just need a Kindle app. Doesn't matter what platform, what device you're using, or on PC. And it's got all my favorite recipes that I developed throughout the years working on this channel. So I hope you enjoy the book as much as I did creating it for you. So thank you for hanging out with me today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh, this is just so good.